Welcome to a little rest experience. Who knows what time of day it is or where this Nidra is meeting you. But our intention, if we had one, is to access creativity and possibilities within, to relax our way to removing barriers, to accessing our creativity, and in general, a celebration of this body and all its wondrous and amazing things. So amazing. Every breath is amazing. The wonder and amazement of the breath that goes in, the breath that flows out. The amazingness of this body, and all its systems and how it exists. The amazingness of how every single body is different and unique and special. What if we took a little creative journey in this Nidra practice? And we saw this body as a blank slate, really a blank canvas. It's a blank canvas. And in your hands, in one hand is a paintbrush, and in the other hand is a palette of colors. So first question for you is, what colors would you put on your palette? Like, what colors are really vibing you right now? What's resonating with you? Like when you see a color, a beautiful chartreuse, a deep Pinot Noir, purple. I love this kind of color games. In fact, we found a game we play as a family. It's called Paint Chip Poetry. It's hilarious. Should you ever find this game? And on one side are Pantone colors. There's 500 colors in the box. And on the other side are just like a single word. It's actually the name of the color. And you pull 12 cards and you either create a story or write a poem or embellish it. It's an absolute riot. So what if we did a little paint chip poetry with our own bodies today? So you get to pick your color palette. You can put as many colors as you want on your color palette. You have all the colors, all the oil pastels, all the acrylics. Everything's non-toxic. It's totally okay for your body. What colors would you choose? And the best part is you don't have to give any reasons why you would choose those colors. You're just going to choose, 8, 10, 12 colors. And also your paintbrush. You want roller brush, you want wide brush, you want thin brush, you want like really fine brush. And you actually have an array of brushes. Like at any point in time, you can switch the brush that's in the brush hand. And also if you need more of one color. And the colors don't have to make sense. Like these are all the ruleless rules for this game. And here's this beautiful body canvas. Whatever's that first color you want to take, whatever's drawing you in first, just start painting. Let's paint at the heart center of the body. To the front of the heart center, to the right sides. Maybe you're going to dot down the ribs and the spaces between the ribs on the right, and the ribs and the spaces between the ribs on the left. The navel center. What would you paint there? How broad a brush stroke. Are you covering wide spaces? Are you just embellishing? It's all there. There's also like glitter colors, neon colors. It's all on the table. We're going to go UV light party. I like it all. What would you paint to the right side of the navel and to the left side? All around the belly. Down towards the base of the belly where it meets the pubic bone, painting the left hip and the right hip. Going down the front part of the body, we've got the left leg, the thigh, the knee, the calf, the ankle, top and bottom, top of the foot, the tips of the toes, the nails. Keep switching colors. Keep switching your paintbrushes. Or you've just gotten to one thing. Who knows? There's no one right way. A celebration of colors at all the tips of the toes on the left. Big toe, second. Third, fourth, littlest of toes. And now do the bottom of the left foot and the heel and the back of the ankle, the back of the calf, back of the knee on the left. Upper leg. Now we're to the hips and bum and glutes. So many colors, so many ways to celebrate. Let's take the same journey down the right leg. The right thigh and right knee, right calf and ankle, right top of foot, to all the toes, tips of toes on the right, big toe, second, third, fourth, and the wee littlest of all the toes, the bottom of the foot, might tickle a little, the heel, back of the calf, back of the knee, back of the thigh, hips and glutes. And now let's just keep going up the back body. We could paint the spine. Ooh, big canvas in the back. What colors are going at the spinal vertebra? To the right side, to the left side. What brush strokes, what shapes are flowing? Is it turning into a Jackson Pollock painting? Something experimental, multi-layered. It's beautiful. It's perfect just how it is. Upwards, the middle back, the upper back shoulders. And while we're here at the shoulders, the shoulder blades, let's go down the left arm. We've got the front part. Upper arm, elbow creases, lower arm, wrists. The hand, all the fingers, the tips of the fingers on the left, big thumb and index. Middle ring, pinky finger, the palm of the hand, the wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, back. Oh, don't forget the armpit. Very important place to paint in there. Dotting ourselves across the chest and over to the right shoulder, down right arm, upper arm, elbow, lower arm, wrist, hand, fingers, all the way to tips of fingers. Are they a different color for the nails from the fingers, from the wrist? The thumb, the index on the right, the middle, the ring, the pinky finger, the base of the hand, palm of hand, wrist, under the arm, elbow, upper arm, into the armpit, shoulder. This masterpiece, so beautiful. Coming up to the neck, right side and left side, front and back vertebra of the neck to the base of the skull. We could paint up the back side to the crown. We could paint the left and right lobes and the forehead, the temples, the eyes, the eyebrows. What colors paint your nose and cheeks? Left ear and right ear. Upper and lower lip, that little space between the nose and the lip. Right cheek, left jaw, right jaw. You can even paint your teeth. What color would you paint them? Inside the mouth, the tongue. What an incredible symphony of colors, this body. How interesting. We could take ourselves back to the layer of the canvas, and somewhere the canvas is blank. And we could take ourselves a little zoom out feature to this beautiful body, dancing with colors, all the possibilities, all the creativity unleashed. What if we could take the same palette of colors, except now it's like, you know, when you make those sand sculptures in a bottle, you know, with the different colors and things. What if you could fill yourself from the tips of the toes inside the body? Start at the base of the toes and come all the way up the feet, the ankles. Fill your whole body with your own beautiful array of colors, a celebration of possibilities. How would they swirl? How would they stack? How would they meld? How would these colors ombre? All the way up to the brim. So much color, it squeezes out of the hair follicles. And it's totally like coming down the hair and dripping down the hair and all the hair follicles on your whole body. And just for a moment, feel all the colors on the inside. And all the colors on the surface. This whole body so beautiful, so complete. Just as it is. Celebration of the symphony of color. I want to invite you into a quiet moment of listening while we're here. What would it be to just simply listen to the body? We've celebrated, we've played, we've cultivated this sense of wonder and amazement for the body. In this very friendly moment, just listening. With all this color and celebration, is there anything arising? A little whisper.
raindrops high above the chimney top. That's where you find me, oh, somewhere over the rainbow. Bluebirds fly, and the dream that you did to, oh why can't well, I see trees of green and red roses too. I'll watch them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Well, I see skies of blue and I see clouds of white and the brightness of day. I like the dark and I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
If you're finding yourself
The colors
wanting to move
so pretty in the sky,
in some way,
so unfacing,
called out of a dreamy place into another dreamy place, feel free to be exactly where you want to be.
we're really safe. I love you. I hear babies cry and I watch them grow. They'll learn much more than we'll know, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Someday I wish upon a star, wake up where the clouds are far behind me, where trouble melts like a lemon drops high above the chimney top. That's where you find me, oh, somewhere over the rainbow, way up high. The dream that you did to, why, oh, why can't
Inviting you back from wherever you just went and whatever you just experienced. May you find a happy place somewhere in there. And this Nidra has completed itself, I hope.